Ukrainian drones may find some great targets during operation, but it's not as common to find such a satisfying target driving around, as this TOS-1A thermobaric multiple rocket launcher system is meant to carry a lot of firepower fired at close range. With the shorter range, the system becomes more vulnerable to the battlefield, especially as it carries so much firepower with basically no protection. So with no hesitation, this Ukrainian drone goes after the system and targets the rockets. As we see at a distance, the chain reaction starts, letting the system to present fireworks. While the system didn't explode, the heat and burnt up rocket make sure the system won't be brought back into service, taking out another of Russia's system, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.